Hello guys and welcome back. Today is 29 November 2024 and in this video we will discuss about Forex account management service and I will show you the today's results of our account management service. So guys, this is my XNest broker account and I am using this account as a master account and all other clients accounts are linked with this master account. So guys, today I made 1% profit on the master account. That's mean we made 1% on all the clients accounts. Now let's talk about the trades. So there were two setups on gold. And this was our first zone for selling and this was my entry point and the stop loss was at this point which got hit at this point and the take profit was at this point. And the next setup was also on gold and this was a setup for selling and this was my actually zone and entry point and this was actually entry point and the stop loss was at this point and the take profit was at this point which got hit at this point. And the risk was 1% on both setups and the target was 2%. So we lost 1% on first setup and we made 2% on second setup. So finally guys, we made 2% and we lost 1%. And overall our today's profit is 1% and we are closing the day with 1% profit. And I made 1% profit on my personal master account. That means I made 1% profit on all the clients accounts. And now I'll show you some random clients accounts where you can see the same trades with same stop loss and same take profits. So let's jump into the mobile screen and let's see some clients accounts. So guys, if you want to join our account management service or if you have any question about our account management service, you can watch a detailed video about our account management service. The link of this detailed video is given in the description of this video. So guys, this was a short video of today's results. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that's it for today's video. See you in the next video.